Hey there, Bixby Developers. Today, I'll be going over Bixby's upcoming support for Android display themes. Until Bixby is updated to support Android display themes, it will still use the current Bixby theme. However, in the not-too-distant future, once Bixby supports Android display themes, there will be a new light theme and a new dark theme. Android devices start on the light theme, but the end user will be able to change their Android display theme in their Android display settings. The theme that Bixby will use will match the end user's Android display theme selection. The current Bixby theme will still be used for older mobile devices, as well as other device types that do not support Android display themes. Now, some images in your capsule, particularly icons, might not be visible when set against a different background in an alternate theme. This Jiffy icon and this share icon both look good in the dark theme. However, in the light theme, these white icons become nearly invisible. Let's take a look at how to address this. The first thing you'll need to know how to do is how to switch between the different themes in the simulator. Click on the settings icon, and here you'll notice a new drop-down menu for theme. The default theme is the current Bixby theme, and you'll have two new themes, the dark theme and the light theme. Here in the light theme, you can see that these two icons are practically invisible. So how do we fix that? First, let's take a look at the assets. When we look at the Jiffy icon, we can see that most of it is white. However, I've created an alternate version where I've made the white into black text. Similarly, for the share icon, I have a white share icon as the default, and I have an alternate black share icon. So now over in our view file, go to the image in question, in this case the Jiffy image, and I'm just going to add a curly bracket, and here you'll have access to two new keys, the dark theme key and the light theme key. And each of these keys can set an alternate image URL for that respective theme. Just put the alternate image URL into the light theme key. And we can go ahead and do the same thing for the share icon. So now if we refresh this view,
enjoy these panda gifs.
We can see that now the light theme is using the alternate black icons that I created. If we take a look at the other two themes, the default theme and the dark theme, you can see that they're still using the original white icons. In contrast to white icons not being visible in the light theme, darker icons may not be visible in the dark theme. You can simply use the dark theme key to address this. Be sure to check how each of your screens look, especially if they have icons in all three of the themes. To summarize, white image assets may not look good in the light theme. Dark image assets may not look good in the dark theme. Use the new image URL keys, the light theme key and the dark theme key, to change the images as needed. And finally, non-Android devices will still keep the current Bixby theme. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.